Today in this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Panasonic TV no signal. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient. Here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If not clear your problem, let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Look on backside of your TV. You want to make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into the back of connector. If not clear your problem, just move the HDMI connection to another port. Most TVs have at least 2 and sometimes 3 or 4 of these ports. Press the input button on your remote and select the HDMI port number that the device is connected to. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.